Welcome to the Abdomax review. Abdomax is a new supplement designed to eliminate gut issues, improve digestion, and enhance overall health and wellness. According to the manufacturer, Abdomax was developed based on an 8-second Nordic ritual using a blend of natural ingredients clinically studied to improve gut health. By taking Abdomax daily, you can purportedly eliminate constipation, bloating, nausea, acid reflux, and other digestive issues within just a few weeks. If you're tired of suffering from painful bowel movements, frequent bouts of constipation or diarrhea, or feeling sluggish, Abdomax may be the right supplement to eliminate these issues for good. What is Abdomax? As we briefly mentioned, Abdomax is a dietary supplement described as revolutionary to relieve common digestive issues like nausea, constipation, diarrhea, and acid reflux. It's also designed for complete digestive support by directly addressing several of the most common causes of digestive issues. Best of all, since recent research has discovered a direct link between gut health and overall wellness, you can potentially improve virtually every aspect of your health simply by adding Abdomax. To reap the numerous benefits of Abdomax, simply take 2 capsules in the morning with breakfast, roughly 20 to 30 minutes before you eat breakfast. Over time, your digestive health and gut biome will improve, leading to better digestion and better health. How does Abdomax work? Digestion is a complicated process. It takes various hormones, enzymes, and biological processes to keep it functioning. Thankfully, Abdomax works to relieve digestive issues by promoting digestion in a variety of ways. Here's how Abdomax works. Abdomax helps to increase pepsinogen levels. Pepsinogen is an important gut molecule, a substance secreted by the stomach wall and converted into the pepsin enzyme by gastric acid. Pepsinogen is responsible for breaking down food and turning it into waste. This keeps the colon lubricated and healthy and prevents the buildup of bad bacteria in the intestines. Studies have shown that those with a healthy gut have higher levels of pepsinogen than those who suffer from IBS or regular digestive issues. In fact, one study found that pepsinogen was 400% more active and stimulated in those with healthy digestion compared to those with digestive issues. This is why it is so important that Abdomax is able to increase your pepsinogen levels. Abdomax also contains several prebiotic ingredients to feed good bacteria. There are trillions of bacteria in our gut, most of which are good bacteria. These bacteria are designed to support digestion, immunity, hormone production, and more. However, when good bacteria levels drop, bad bacteria can thrive, causing poor digestion, sickness, weight gain, and more. This is why Abdomax added specific ingredients that act as prebiotics. These ingredients feed the good bacteria in your gut, allowing them to thrive. These good bacteria kill off the bad bacteria in your gut, preventing them from wreaking havoc on your digestive system. Abdomax relieves constipation by adding fiber that promotes stool formation and elimination. By now, it's no secret that fiber helps the body stay regular. However, few of us consume enough fiber to maintain healthy digestion. Thankfully, almost every ingredient in Abdomax contains some form of fiber, whether it is soluble or insoluble fiber. These are just a few of the ways Abdomax works to support your digestive health. The main advertised method Abdomax works is by increasing pepsinogen levels, which is important for gut health. However, by supporting digestion in a number of other ways, Abdomax is more likely to deliver noticeable benefits within a short period of time. Additional benefits of Abdomax. In years past, we thought digestive health only really affected your digestive system. However, we've learned an incredible amount about the digestive system over the last 10 or 20 years. As a result, Abdomax isn't just a digestive health supplement. Instead, it's designed for optimal overall health and wellness. In fact, by improving your gut health, Abdomax may also support healthy weight loss. Believe it or not, healthy gut health supports better weight management and may even help you lose weight. According to studies, certain gut bacteria produce acetate, a short-chain fatty acid that regulates body fat stores and appetite. Researchers also believe that a healthy digestive system is able to release gut hormones needed to better control metabolism. In theory, this should support better weight management. Better immunity. Our immune system is a complicated one, but researchers have found that upwards of 70 to 80% of immune cells are located in the gut. This means it is absolutely essential you maintain proper gut health. By improving your gut health, you'll be able to supercharge your immunity, decreasing the likelihood you become sick and better helping you fight off illness in the event you do become sick. Improved cognition. A fairly new development in biology is that gut microbiome is directly linked to certain neurological outcomes, like cognitive function and dementia. Although mechanisms have not been fully established, there's clear evidence that having a healthy gut can enhance memory, focus, and learning ability. It may also reduce the risk of certain brain diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia. Ingredients in Abdomax. Abdomax was carefully formulated using 9 of the most proven natural ingredients to support digestion, gut microbiome, and production of pepsinogen levels. These 9 natural ingredients include glucomannan root. Glucomannan is derived from the konjac plant. It is a type of soluble fiber that helps to improve bowel frequency by softening stool and promoting stool removal. It also binds to water in the gut to form a gel-like substance that may slow the breakdown of food, thus enabling you to feel fuller for a longer period of time. Finally, there is some evidence that glucomannan may stimulate the healing process of the gut lining. Psyllium husk. Psyllium husk is rich in soluble fiber, which helps regulate your bowel movements because of its ability to form a gel-like stool that is easily processed. It also improves pepsinogen levels, which is key for digestion. Recent clinical research suggests it may also decrease bouts of abdominal pain by relieving pressure on the stomach and by eliminating flatulence. Similar to glucomannan, psyllium also appears to reduce appetite as well. Bentonite clay. Bentonite clay is derived from aged volcanic ash and has been shown to eliminate gas, stop bloating, relieve constipation, and limit acid reflux. It may also bind to heavy metals and other toxins that often accumulate in your gut, speeding digestion and improving immune system function. Bentonite is also considered useful for those suffering from IBS. Black walnut. Black walnut is said to improve digestion by eliminating fungi, bacteria, and parasites, which interfere with your body's ability to break down food. It also has a gentle laxative effect to promote regular bowel movements and improve bile flow. Some research suggests that it may also increase the absorption of nutrients. It also contains several anti-inflammatory compounds, improving the function and health of the organs involved in digestion and stool removal. Oat bran. Oat bran is rich in vitamins and minerals needed to promote regular digestion. It's also been linked to healthy cholesterol levels and blood pressure. Like many other ingredients in Abdomax, oat bran is rich in dietary fiber, supporting bowel function. However, oat bran is rich in both soluble fiber and insoluble fiber, making it one of the more unique ingredients in Abdomax. Flaxseed. Flaxseed is a popular digestive aid that is rich in insoluble fiber, which makes it an excellent prebiotic ingredient. Flaxseed has been shown to speed up the frequency of bowel movements and may help eliminate constipation quickly. However, it also may combat diarrhea because it helps improve stool formation. Plum extract. Plums and prunes are well known for their ability to relieve constipation, partly because of their high fiber content. This fiber is insoluble, which means it adds bulk to your stool, promoting regular bowel movements. Plum also contains sorbitol, which is a sugar alcohol that has laxative effects. In addition to its digestive benefits, the plum extract has been shown to improve heart health, bone health, and immunity. Aloe vera. Aloe is well known for its therapeutic properties, and it has been shown to relieve pain, promote healing, and relieve burns. However, new research suggests it may also have digestive benefits as well. It appears that aloe vera can improve pepsinogen levels and may reduce dental plaque, reducing bad bacteria in the mouth. It also appears to help the growth of good bacteria, which is key for digestion. Apple pectin. Apple pectin is a beneficial prebiotic fiber sourced from many types of apples. Apple pectin has been shown to strengthen the lining of the gut and promote the growth of good bacteria in the gut. These good bacteria strengthen immunity, improve digestion, and eliminate bad bacteria. Some research indicates apple pectin may even block the formation of fat. Abdomax made sure to ensure there are no additives, fillers, or artificial ingredients found in their product, only 100% natural, pure ingredients. How long does it take to see results? Although Abdomax is an effective supplement that supports gut health improvements, it isn't a miracle product by any stretch of the imagination. It is going to take some time in order to see results while using this product. Like any supplement, results vary from person to person. They can vary based on diet, exercise habits, lifestyle habits, and even environmental factors. Your individual physiology can play a role in how rapidly you see any changes too. In general, many Abdomax users report seeing some improvements after around 2 weeks of use. Within a month, an overwhelming number of users experience less bouts of gas, bloating, constipation, and other digestive issues. The manufacturer recommends you take the product upwards of 2 months before you make any final decision as to whether it is the right digestive aid for you. As we mentioned before, results do take time and it may take longer for your body to adjust to the powerful formula in Abdomax. You should however notice real changes within a month of use, and as you continue to use Abdomax, you should steadily see improvements in your digestive health. Side effects of Abdomax: is it safe? Abdomax was carefully formulated with ingredients not only designed to relieve digestive issues, it was designed to be safe too. This is why as of this writing there have not been any reports of any serious side effects while using this product. This is not to say that side effects cannot occur, only they haven't occurred yet. Any supplement can cause minor side effects like nausea, headache, or other minor side effects. The likelihood of experiencing these side effects while using this product are just very low. Keep in mind that although side effects are very rare while using this product, it still may not be right for everyone. For example, if you are pregnant or nursing, it is not recommended that you use this product as the effects are unknown. Likewise, this product is only intended for adults over the age of 18. Therefore, children should not use this product, nor should you give this product to any child under the age of 18. Finally, if you are taking a serious medication, especially for digestive problems, or if you have a medical condition, then it is highly recommended you speak to your doctor before using this product. Overall, Abdomax is an incredibly safe, effective supplement for gut health. However, if you still are unsure whether or not this product is right for you, then it is recommended you speak to your doctor before trying Abdomax just to get his or her opinion. Abdomax pricing and guarantee. If you decide that Abdomax may be the right supplement to help you achieve your health goals, then the best place to order is directly through the official website. There you will find multiple different purchasing options to choose from, depending on your budget and needs. Here are the available purchasing options. 1 bottle, $49 plus shipping. 3 bottles, $135 total, $45 per bottle plus shipping. 5 bottles, $205 total, $41 per bottle with free shipping. No matter which package you select, Abdomax offers every customer a 60-day money-back guarantee on all orders. According to the official website, if you are dissatisfied with your purchase, experience unwanted side effects, or simply don't like Abdomax, you are entitled to a full refund within 60 days of your purchase, no questions asked. To receive a refund, simply return the product to the manufacturer and request a refund, and you'll promptly be given a refund, no questions asked. Cleanse bonus supplement. If you decide to purchase the 5-bottle package of Abdomax, then you'll be given a complimentary bottle of Z Cleanse. According to Abdomax, Z Cleanse is specifically designed to work directly with Abdomax. Z Cleanse uses a number of natural ingredients to supercharge your immune system and to bring your stress levels down, allowing you to properly absorb the Abdomax formula. Some of the ingredients in Z Cleanse include magnolia flower. There have been over 200 healthy chemical compounds found in magnolia, including magnolol and honokiol, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties. Some research suggests that magnolia may also relieve stress and anxiety, improve sleep, and relieve some of the symptoms of menopause. Bacopa root. Bacopa monnieri has been used for centuries and is a staple herb in Ayurvedic medicine. It contains powerful antioxidants that eliminate inflammation and boost immunity. It also is said to improve various cognitive functions, may prevent anxiety and stress, may lower blood pressure levels, and may even have some anti-cancer properties. Passion flower. Passion flower is in the family of plants belonging to Passiflora. It has been used by Native Americans to treat boils, wounds, earaches, and liver problems for centuries. Today, modern research has shown it has natural calming effects on the body and mind by boosting GABA levels in the brain. This encourages better sleep, may relieve anxiety and ease stress. Lemon balm. Lemon balm is a scented herb that comes from the mint family. It has been traditionally used to improve mood and cognitive function. However, recent studies have found a number of additional benefits such as stress and anxiety relief, improved sleep, indigestion relief, pain relief, and immune system support. In addition, Z Cleanse contains hawthorn, velvet bean root, St. John's wort, and a number of additional herbal extracts for better immunity, digestion, and overall health. Final recap. Abdomax is one of the best natural digestive aids on the market. It uses clinically studied ingredients, proven doses, and is backed by thousands of customer reviews from all over the world. If you're looking for real digestive relief from constipation, gas, bloating, or indigestion, then there's no better natural source than Abdomax. To order the #1 digestive health product for 2023, Then you need to visit the official website of Abdomax given in description and order your bottles today.